Yes, we are here now. Hello friends, this is निगम पासवान और आज हम पढ़ेंगे 50 कॉमन जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चन फॉर ऑल स्टूडेंट. फ्रेंड, ये वीडियो का टॉपिक कितना ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है सभी कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए. सो स्टार्ट करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, कॉर्ल एंड द पेशंस चेंज बैंड नेम टू व्हाट? आंसर इज बीच बॉयज. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, हाउ मेनी रिंग्स ऑन द ओलंपिक फ्लैग? आंसर इज 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट कलर इज वर्मिलियन अ शेड ऑफ? आंसर इज रेड कलर. Question number 4, King Jog ruled which country? Answer is Albania. Question number 5, what color is Spock's blood? Answer is green color. Question number 6, where in your body is your patella? आंसर इज नी, इट्स द नी कैप. फ्रेंड, जो हमारा घुटना होता है वहीं पे एक पटेला हड्डी पाई जाती है. फ्रेंड, हमने ह्यूमन स्केलेटन पे फुल वीडियो बना रखा है. अगर आप लोगों ने उस वीडियो को वॉच नहीं किया है तो फॉर फ्री टू विजिट राइट नाउ एंड वॉच देम, लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. Question number 7, where can you find London Bridge today? Answer is USA, Arizona. Question number 8, what spirit is mixed with ginger beer in a Moscow mule? Answer is vodka. Question number 9, who was the first man in a space? Answer is Yuri Gagarin. Question number 10, what would you do with a yashmak? Answer is wear it, it's an Arab will. Question number 11, who betrayed Jesus to the Romans? Answer is Judas Iscariot. Question number 12, which animal lays eggs? Answer is duck-billed platypus. Question number 13, on television what was Flipper? Answer is dolphin. Question number 14, whose band was the Quarrymen? Answer is John Lennon. Question number 15, which was the most successful Grand National horse? Answer is Red Rum. Question number 16, who starred as the $6 million man? Answer is Lee Majors. Question number 17, in the song Weltiging Matilda, what is a jumbuck? Answer is ship. Question number 18, who was the Dan Dare's greatest enemy in The Eagle? Answer is Macon. Question number 19, what is the Dick Grayson battle known as? Answer is Robin, Batman and Robin. Question number 20, what was given on the 4th day of Christmas? Answer is calling birds. Question number 21, what was Skippy on TV? Answer is the bush kangaroo. Question number 22, what does a funambulist do? Answer is tightrope walker. Question number 23, what is the name of Dennis, the menaced dog? Answer is Ganesher. Question number 24, what are the bactrians and dromedaries? Answer is camels, one hump or two. Question number 25, who played the fugitive? Answer is David Jason. Question number 26, who was the king of swing? Answer is Benny Goodman. Question number 27, who was the first man to fly across the channel? Answer is Louis Belriot. Question number 28, who starred as Rocky Balboa? Answer is Sylvester Stallone. Question number 29, in which war was the charge of the Light Brigade? Answer is Crimean. Question number 30, who invented the television? Answer is John Logie Baird. Question number 31, who would use a massive niblick? Answer is golfer. Question number 32, in the song who killed Cock Robin? Answer is Sparrow. Question number 33, what do deciduous trees do? Answer is lose their leaves in winter. Question number 34, in golf what name is given to the number third wood? Answer is spoon. Question number 35, if you has caries who would you consult? Answer is dentist, it's tooth decay. Question number 36, what other name is Mallows famously known by? Answer is Lady Chatterill's lover. Question number 37, what did Jack Horner pull from his pie? Answer is plum. Question number 38, how many feet in a fathom? Answer is 6 feet. Question number 39, which film had song Springtime for Hitler? Answer is The Producer. Question number 40. Name the legless fighter pilot of WW2. Answer is Douglas Bader. Question number 41. What was the name of inn in Treasure Island? Answer is Admiral Benbow. Question number 42. What was Erich Weiss better known as? Answer is Harry Houdini. Question number 43. Who sailed in the Nana, Pinta and Santa Maria? Answer is Christopher Columbus. Question number 44. Which leader died in St. Helena? Answer is Napoleon Bonaparte. Question number 45. Who wrote Gone with the Wind? Answer is Margaret Mitchell. Question number 46. What does ring a ring rose refer to? Answer is the Black Death. Question number 47. Whose nose grew when he told a lie? Answer is Pinocchio. Question number 48. Who has won the most Oscar? Answer is Walt Disney. Question number 49. What would a Scotsman do with a sputtle? Answer is eat porridge, it's a spoon. Question number 50. Which award has the words for valor on it? Answer is Victoria Cross.